You guys, I am currently organizing my beauty room. All of the things. I want to share my organization tips with you guys and how I organize all of my makeup in this room, as well as the best ever hack to clean your brushes. And I pretty much can guarantee you that you have never seen or heard of this. It's hilarious. It freaking works. We're gonna test it out, go through it together. I will give you guys the step-by-step instructions as well as how I organize everything. I literally have like lashes everywhere. We're packing to leave tomorrow, so I'm excited to share all the things, get this all neat and tidy, pack for my trip, organize all the stuff, put it away, as well as clean all of my brushes in the coolest freaking way possible. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. All right, so here's the deal. Before we start putting stuff away, let's talk about this. I need some skizzers. And I have skizzers, okay. So here's the deal. Prepare to have your mind blown. So I have things like the Tati beauty blender, stuff like that. And I wanna clean this. So here's what I'm gonna do. I ordered two. This is what I ordered, okay? It's like a little Japanese toy. There's tons of them, okay? But I got the dishwasher. Or the washing machine. You guys, you're not even ready. You're not even ready. It's a little washing machine, and you put, listen, this, do you see, okay. You can see where this is going, and then you're gonna put some brush cleaner in there, and we're gonna clean it up. So I also got a black one because to go with the room. I will link it down below for you guys. They're like 12 bucks, I think, or 10 bucks, maybe cheaper. So there's like a whole collection. There's a sewing machine and iron. We don't need that. I just need a washing machine. A little washing machine. So same thing. Black and gold. Right? All right. So let's get some instructions going. I'm guessing this sucker needs batteries. Oh my gosh, there's a little hamper. Okay, the other one doesn't have a hamper. Oh my gosh, does it dry it also? Okay, definitely needs batteries. Let's get into this. These are literally the instructions. I'm gonna go get some batteries. 3. What are you doing? Are you just waiting for me? I got batteries, that's all I did. Oh, shh. So let's put some water in this, and I need some brush cleaner. This is my brush section. These are just like Amazon brushes that I had whenever this room. Comment down below if you have followed me long enough to see the progression of this room. Once upon a time, this room was a pink unicorn room. Everything was pink, it was amazing. But it honestly wasn't me. And it really wasn't profesh. Okay, so I wanna clean this. I wanna clean all my, yes! But a crap ton of dirty beauty blenders, okay? And I have this brush cleaner. Couldn't I just put a makeup remover in there? I thought I had like a little squirt, like this thing came with a cleanser. We're gonna figure this out. We can use whatever, really, like we're cleaning brushes here. We're not baking a cake, we can do this. I'm gonna fill this little guy up. I went and got the black one too. I put batteries in it because we're gonna create ourselves a little assembly line here. All right, so I've got both filled with water. I'm gonna test one by liquefying a little bit of this, or even just like breaking some off and dissolving it and putting it in this one. And then in this one, I'll do like a cleanser, like some sort of a cleanser that I would use on my face, or a soap. And we're gonna toss in some dirty beauty blenders and some sponges. And I think this one will be able to dry it also. Beauty blender cleanser, and it's a solid puck in here. But we should be okay. So I tried breaking off a little piece of this solid stuff. I would totally get the liquid version of this. That will work 100%, but I've got this coconut makeup remover. Basically, you just need makeup remover. I don't want to use soap because I don't want to damage. Yeah, I feel like that'll work. And then I've got a cleanser in here, like a makeup cleanser. Update. The pink one is a dud. It don't work, so you need the basket. Can you hear the motor? It's like, it's like the little engine that couldn't. So that, no bueno, but Amazon is fire amazing for returning things. You need the basket, whether you're washing or drying. It's what makes it spin, duh. So, look at this. So here's the deal. See how there's like a little cross at the bottom? I think it's supposed to snap in. Water. cleanser, beauty blender. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, look at this. The water is all murky. It friggin' works. That took like 2 seconds. Okay, so dump in the water and then now it's drying. What? So verdict, it worked really freaking well on the beauty blender and it like put it back to its bouncy, damp state. So just the drying and just a little bit. This guy, no, it gets too wet and the dryer part doesn't work enough. And it also doesn't clean it as well. But I don't know if that's just the actual Blendiful that's like that. This pink one was missing the basket, which I figured out is like a very key ingredient. So we are going to email Amazon, but the black one, amazing. I'm keeping it. I freaking love it. Okay, so let's go organize, and I'm still packing. Got a lot of packing to do, and I'm going to start packing my makeup and organize my makeup with you guys. All right, so the first thing that I wanted to do when, cleaning out my beauty room, organizing everything, as well as packing it all, was lashes. So this is one of the key things that I use to organize my lashes as well as travel with my lashes. They're these little cases. I actually have 4 of them. I have 2 pink ones, a teal one, and a purple one. And you can store 3 lashes comfortably, and then there's a little bit room for extra. So I'll usually bring a couple dramatic ones and then a natural one. I love those cases. I think that they're so practical. They're super cheap. I will link them for you guys. The other thing I wanted to bring was my contour palette. So I got the Scott Barnes palette. I really like it. I'm very, very happy with it. The other thing I always travel with is the color switch. I am terrible with cleaning my brushes, so that color switch thing is basically a Brillo pad that cleans your brushes. It's awesome. So then I just went through my vanity and just cleaned everything out, only brought the essentials, put away anything that I wasn't using. My drawers are actually organized by category, so I have concealer, foundations in here, as well as some powders, and I try and keep everything categorized together like that as best I can, so when I'm not using it, I put it back in that section. I definitely wanted to pack a tinted moisturizer and a really good highlighter. This highlighter is my new favorite. So it's the Cookie by Benefit. It's so freaking good and so pigmented, and it just like gives you that dewy glow. I love it. I'm obsessed. I had it like all over my cleavage area and my shoulders in the tropics. It's just amazing. So I went through and I grabbed any good brushes. I feel like good and bad brushes kind of get mixed together. That mascara is the best ever, as well as the Gimme Brow. So I'm obsessed with Benefit right now. Like that Bad Girl Bang mascara, perfection. I honestly didn't even use my lashes whenever I was in the tropics. That Kabuki brush, love, and that's what I used to apply the highlighter. And then the Gimme Brow was like just a quick little brow mascara that I used to get ready whenever I was down south. So more or less, I'm just going through and getting rid of any cheap brushes versus any good brushes and putting things away that I didn't need. And I used the top section of my makeup bag. So the makeup bag that I was using is the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collection bag. It's just a big bag. I don't keep things all divided. I just toss it all in there. It fits pretty much everything. And then I cleaned off the top of the vanity so that way I didn't have anything just lingering there, and I only brought the essentials. One thing I decided to do though was put the Clarisonic in a separate bag so I could make room for some palettes. So I used my Benefit makeup bag to put the Clarisonic, the charger, as well as my night cream. So I use the Recover Me by Frey, and I love it. And this was more than enough room to bring all of my makeup. And then I had to decide on a palette. This is probably the most difficult decision when you're traveling. So I went with the Riviera palette from Anastasia. I have all the Anastasia palettes kind of organized in this little clear palette section. Then I have all my other ones right on display on the shelf in a clear container by Allegory. I love them. You can get them off of Amazon, and it just displays all of your makeup super well and looks really clean that way. So I hope you guys enjoyed the organize, clean the makeup, put away the makeup, pack the makeup. If you guys want to see deeper into the makeup storage and how I organize each of the drawers, I can totally do a tour of exactly how I organize that. Let me know down below if that's something you guys would like to see. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and I will see you guys next time.